Good night, good night. So I am doing some blending. It's about 20 or 18 minutes to the hour 12 o'clock. And you see, just call it midnight. I am doing some blending. This is what we do in my household. So I just want to include you a bit how to get some healthiness in the body. And for me, the first juice I'm going to be blending, I'm blending about 5 juice. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay up for the whole night to do this, but I'm going to start off with my first juice, and it's going to be carrot, celery, strawberry, cucumber. You can't forget about the ginger and lime. So let's get blended. Too much talking. Where's my blender top? Where's my blender top? This is weird. I'm going to chop these a bit big, nothing small. This first juice I am not drinking because I can't stand celery. I don't like celery. I don't like the scent, the taste, and I'm not drinking it. This is for the children. They like celery. Okay, let's go bigger. I am going to chop some ginger. Now, I am from Jamaica, and we put ginger and lime in all our juice. That's a must. I can't drink these things without ginger and lime. Strawberry.
Ooh, this looks pretty.
Pretty though. Can't find the top for it.
It might be in the dishwasher. Or who took it off?
I don't know.
Oh, didn't it break?
It break?
When remember we was moving over here or something like that.
So now I am going to blend. After I blend, then I add the lime. Oh my gosh.
You should have gotten like a plate. Why did you use your hands?
Yeah. You know, this is a bit tacky. It's okay. The top is broken. This should be enough. I'm going to strain it.
I don't like take it.
Strain this a bit.
Careful.
And while this is straining, I am just going to get the others, like the rest of the celery and also some apples, and that should be it for my first juice. As you know, all of this is healthy, and one of my daughters want to go on a juice fast. I'm not sure that's good. You need food for the body. You can drink natural juice instead of artificial, but not just juice. That's not good. So let me get this apple.
Cut it like you don't care. Seeds too.
Yeah, you just blend. And then it's strained. You're going to...
I don't know.
You're scared with me with a knife?
No.
Wow. Okay, then I'm going to add some water. And let's blend. I'm going to put a lemon in it. I need to roll this so all the juice, it's very juicy. Look at that, all the juice when you roll it. This is a good thing to get your children to drink juice because turn 5, she loved these. And all the other children because there's lime and ginger in it. So if you want to get your children to drink fruit and vegetable juice, just add ginger and lime. I'm just stirring it. You don't need sugar for it because the apple, the strawberry kind of sweeten it a bit. I turn these butters. Look at all that juice. Now I'm going to taste it. Tastes good. Tastes so good and refreshing. Actually, I tell you, when you're making your fruit juice, just add ginger and lime, which is good for the body. The lime cut fat. This is refreshing. And I'm just going to taste the rest because I added more apples and all of that, the strawberry. But this is really good. Tastes so good. I use the strainer because I don't like the seeds. Well, we have them for each day. Can be 2 days. Than drinking all that sugar. For me, I don't like sweets. So, I mean, if you don't like certain fruits, like for me, I don't like American apple. I really don't. So the best thing is putting it in a juice. I don't like strawberry as well. So what better way than to make the juice? And you see, that is good. So this is it. It's tightly sealed. And now I don't think I'm going to do any more juice too. I'm going to blend my beetroot juice, and what I'm going to mix with it, all the fruit. I have some more ginger here, carrot, and plus I have some more fruit. Look at this. My absolute favorite, mango. So I'm going to come back tomorrow and blend all of these. For now, I'm a bit tired. It's 12 o'clock. I'm a bit tired. It's some minutes past and I have to go to bed. It'll be much easier. But I'll catch you tomorrow.